everyone, it's Adrienne Finch and welcome back to my channel. It's hard to grow on Instagram, all right? I've been on Instagram for 5 years and I have 400,000 subscribers on YouTube, 800,000 followers on TikTok, which is about 2,000% more followers than I have on Instagram. LOL. People are always asking me, how come you only have 30K on Instagram when you have so many on the other platforms? And besides the fact that I really don't operate my business or brand on Instagram, but rather just use it as a platform for fun and to accompany my businesses, I still decided to do some digging and figure out what I could do better to grow my Instagram. What newer hidden features have been added, and how I could hack the system to grow faster and more than I ever have before. I will tell you I've gained about 8,000 followers in the last 30 days. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys some new features that Instagram has, some hidden features that you didn't know about, and some little hacks that are sure to help you grow. So let's get into it. So the first little hidden feature is green screen stories. So if any of you guys are familiar with TikTok, you can use this green screen to basically put images or videos behind you while you're recording yourself. But lo and behold, you can do that on Instagram too. So I watched another video that made it seem like Instagram itself had this green screen kind of feature, but I couldn't find it on mine. And how you find Instagram's lenses is you just open up your stories and scroll over to the right. If it's not there, which it isn't for me, but it would look like a little head with like green in the background, then you go all the way over to the right and click on Browse Effects, and then click in the upper right. Ooh, they have some cute ones. Then click on the upper right, the magnifying glass, and type in green screen. Obviously, I already did this. Click enter, and then I just clicked on the first one that I saw, and then I clicked try it. So as you can see, you show up with like a green screen, and then if you click add media, you can pretty much add anything from your camera roll to your story. So I could be like, what do you guys think of this new setup for my room? Let me know. It's just really cool, right? And you can also put videos. All right, guys. Check out my awesome throw here. It wasn't quite a spiral, but I got it. Yes. So if you try it and you like it and you want to save it, you simply click on the title green screen and click save. I already saved it. And then from now on, when you open up your stories, it'll be right there on the left. So there you go. This is a really good way to promote new content or to engage with your followers by like posting maybe a question or a comment someone had and just like answering it right there on your stories. And obviously this kind of promotes more commenting, which is more engagement, which is more growth at the end of the day. Speaking of promoting your own content, it is now easier than ever to add your own images or videos as stickers to your stories. So if you've been watching me for a while, I've talked multiple times about how you can create your own custom stickers by just copying a photo from your camera roll and pasting it onto your story. But now there is no need. Now, if you simply click on the little sticker icon at the top and you scroll down until you see this sort of gallery button and you click on that, you're actually able to add any photo or video to your story. So I'm just gonna be like, haha, there's that. All right, for some reason I couldn't find how to add a video. It's supposed to be under that same kind of camera roll button. I saw it on several other videos, but for some reason Instagram doesn't love me and doesn't give me like all of the features that are available. I don't know why. So check if you have this, and if you don't, I'm sorry, but you should definitely have the photo gallery one. If I have it, you have it. So yeah, now a quick word from our sponsor later, and this is actually going to be another amazingly helpful tip for Instagram, and then we're really gonna get into some life-changing growth hacks that you've never heard before. Come on. Oh, hello. Today I'm working in my bedroom. I decided not to be in the office. So here I am, and I just wanna show you this amazing platform later that I've been using for scheduling my Instagram posts, and it has been saving my life. So basically this is what the interface looks like, and what later does is it helps streamline your social media strategy so that you really can set yourself up for more sales and more success and more engagement and growth on Instagram because everything is automated. Their goal is to simplify Instagram marketing and make it accessible for businesses of all sizes plus people of all sizes. So I'm actually using this here today for my Self-Made Mastery podcast Instagram account. I work with my graphic designer to make sure that the posts are all done ahead of time. So here we have a media library, and here she can just upload every graphic. So I would drag an image right here. As soon as it uploads, you can click on it, and here is where you can edit your caption. I also love that you have hashtag suggestions. So if I enter like business, it'll suggest all of these hashtags that are really great for my post, which I love. You can pretty much decide when you want to schedule it for. And then auto, this will be that it's going to auto post and save. And I love that this calendar has many different views. You can view it month, by week, or preview, which basically would show you your grid and what it would look like on your phone when you upload all these posts, which I absolutely love this feature. So if you guys are interested in trying later to schedule your Instagram posts and work on your growth, then I have a code where you can get 1 month of the growth plan for free. So use my code Adrienne2020 for 1 month of the growth plan for free. And you can click on the link right down below in the description box to check that out. I highly recommend. And let's get back to the hacks. All right, you guys, everyone has been talking about Reels, and I don't know what you guys think of it. I think it's very overhyped, and I'm not really sure how I want to use it yet. I don't know how I feel about it yet, because all my TikToks are a minute long. 15 seconds is way too short. However, the point is, when Instagram rolls out a new feature, especially one that is trying to directly compete with another big social media app, TikTok, they will reward anyone utilizing it. So it's important to utilize the new features. Meaning, if you are active and you are using Reels, Instagram will boost your content. You will be able to be seen and discovered more, so you want to use it to your advantage. Now, how do you get your Reels seen? Well, here's a little hack for you. If you notice, you can see Reels on the Explore page, but if you don't click there and then continue to scroll, you don't really just like see them anywhere, unless you go to someone's profile and click on the Reels tab. And I feel like no one really does that. But then occasionally you'll be scrolling in your main feed and you'll like see a Reel. And usually that means they posted the preview of the Reel, or they posted the Reel also to their main feed on their main profile. Now, here's the dilemma that I bet a lot of you probably can understand. I want my Reels to get on people's timelines or feeds so they can see it and like it and engage with it, but I don't want it to be on my main feed. I don't really want to mess with the aesthetic and the theme of my feed, especially because my Reels are probably gonna be dumb and silly and, you know, like not related. So in typical Adrienne fashion, I wanted to figure out how can I get onto people's feeds without disrupting my own feed. And what I noticed is that there is a little hack for this. So when you go to post a Reel, there's a button you can toggle that allows you to post the preview to your timeline. So toggle that on, then post the Reel. And then if you go on to your profile and you see the Reel and you click on it, if you click the 3 dots, you can actually hide it from your profile. What this does is it puts the Reel onto people's timelines, onto people's feeds, but it isn't on your main profile. Does that make sense? I'm not sure if this is a glitch and that Instagram will eventually fix it and not let this happen, but for now, as you can see, the Reels that I have done this with have gotten a lot of views, and the Reels that I haven't done this with have gotten not a lot of views. So life hack for ya. Tip number 4 is to utilize carousels. So this is not new news, but here is a piece that is new news. I didn't realize until just now, because this is new. Now when you post a carousel, you actually have multiple opportunities to be on someone's timeline, on someone's, what are they called? A timeline, a feed? I don't freaking know. But when you post a carousel, you have multiple opportunities to be on someone's feed. Why? Well, have you ever been scrolling and all of a sudden you get to a carousel and you're like, I swear I saw this before, but then you realize it's on like photo number 2 or photo number 3, and so you're kind of scrolling back and you're like, yes, I did see this. It's because Instagram will actually place your post multiple times on people's feeds, but like starting at a different picture. And I didn't realize that until lately. I thought it was just a glitch. So this is important because if you utilize carousels, it's more than one opportunity to get onto people's feeds. And of course, the more you're actually shown on people's feeds, the more they can engage with it. And again, engagement equals growth. Bam. Tip number 5, hack number 5, this honestly is more of just a fun, cute thing that I didn't know existed, is that you can use this little layout button to make really cute like snapshot grids of photos. So it defaults to this kind of 4 or 2 by 2 grid, but if you click right here, you can actually do many different options. How cute is that? I think that's really cute. That's it, I just like that one. Number 6 is this new kind of shoutouts feature that Instagram has. I didn't explore with it a whole lot until recently, but I want to show you guys some of the cool things that you can do on there. So what you do is you open your stories and then you click on this create button. Now, once you're there, you have all these options to slide across. So we've got like a happy birthday shout out, and if you click the little dice above, this will change the type of shout out that it is. Happy anniversary. So let's say we're doing happy birthday, and then in the lower corner, you can always change the color. Happy birthday, let's say my roommate. even though it's not. What it does is Instagram automatically pulls up photos that you guys have together, photos and stories. And you can choose from the ones you have together to actually create a compilation for a happy birthday post. The way that we would naturally, Instagram has learned, and they're like, we wanna help you with that. Pretty cool. And then you can still do everything that you would normally do to a story right on here. And then I do want to just point out all the other cool things you can do. You can do a quote of the day. There are all these different kind of templates that are really awesome. And these are, again, things that really help people to engage with your content. Here's another place where you can also find your mentions right here. So you can see them all in one place, even though you already can see them in your notifications, but that's just kind of cool. You have a year ago. Ooh, I like that post. You can see all 13 things that happened a year ago. So stories I posted, pictures I posted, that's crazy. People I became friends with. You can do polls, and they have a couple here already, but you can also do your own. Basically, they're trying to make it easier for you to engage, which I think is really, really cool. Then we have some donations, nonprofits, some countdowns, the weekend, quitting time, school's out, and some polls, and register to vote, which I hope you all have. So that is a relatively new feature that I wanted to make sure you guys knew all of the different ways that you could utilize it. Last but not least is pinning comments. Now this might seem like whatever, but honestly, any way that you can incentivize people to comment more so that you can pin it and they'll be seen, and again, commenting is more engagement, and more engagement is more growth. So those are my tips and tricks and hacks and new hidden features that I hope you guys enjoyed learning about. Let me know in the comments down below which of these you guys have been using or which ones you're excited to use. And if you want, be sure to follow me over on Instagram to see me utilizing these and to go talk to me and chill with me over there if you want. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.